and welcome to LK Lifestyles. This is Laura. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paleo and Whole30 version of ham salad. And if you're like me, you have a lot of leftover ham after the holidays. And this is a terrific way to use it. It's very easy. I'm going to use my wonderful food processor and pulse the ham. And it's going to make it nice and crumbly. First you put the ham and the hard-boiled eggs into your food processor. And you put your lid on tight. And we're going to give it about 7 or 8 nice pulses because it will crumble it up, but you don't need it to be over pulsed. And as soon as we're done pulsing that for a minute or two, I'm going to add some green onions. I like to add these in second because that way they don't become completely processed and you can still see the color. So here we'll give it a couple more pulses. And while we're mentioning it, please look at my other videos and see if there's anything else on my site that you'd like to see. The ham crumbles up really nicely. It's still juicy even though it looks kind of dry. But once we start mixing it with our homemade mayonnaise, that recipe is also on my site, and I chopped up about 6 or 7 pickles and I'm using about 2 teaspoons of Dijon Mustard. We're just going to give it a really quick and easy stir, and it is as simple as that to make ham salad. And this ham salad is fantastic as a scoop on a salad, or you can serve it at your New Year's Eve party for your Paleo and Whole30 guests with some crackers. And if you like this video, please subscribe to LK Lifestyles so that you can see more Paleo and Whole30 videos. Have a great day.